Hi, pre-calculus. Let's see if we can get through this partial fractions thing rather quickly. To decompose into partial fractions means this. You have a rational expression where you can factor the denominator and you want to write it as two different pieces, one over one factor and one over another. So what you do is you factor the denominator, x squared plus 2x minus 3 factors into x minus 1, x plus 3. And you rewrite this as something over x plus 1 plus something over x plus 3. That is, you're going to divide it into two terms, each with one of those factors as the denominator. Then you multiply by the least common denominator, so x minus 1 times x plus 3. And here the x plus 3 cancels, you get b times x minus 1. X minus 1 cancels, you get a times x plus 3. And over here, both of them cancel, you just got 2x minus 1. There's actually a different, you can solve this as a system of equations, but one very easy way of doing it is let x equal a value that will make one of these things be 0, so that you don't have to deal with one of the letters. So if we make x equal 1, then x minus 1 will be 0, and this term will turn into b times 0, and we'll be able to figure out what a is. So if we plug in 1 for x, we get 2 times 1 minus 1 equals a times 1 plus 3 plus b times 0, so it's not even there. 2 times 1 minus 1 equals a times 1 plus 3, 1 equals 4a, a is 1/4. Then we do the other one, let x equals negative 3 to get rid of the a. 2 times negative 3 minus 1 equals, the a is gone, b times negative 3 minus 1, b equals 7/4. So you've got 1/4 over x minus 1 plus 7/4 over x plus 3, and since that's a bit messy, you can, just a little reminder, this means 1/4 divided by x minus 1, or 1/4 times 1 over x minus 1. So you can just put the 4 down here. 1 over 4 times x minus 1 plus 7 over 4 times x plus 3. Here's the exercise here. So we're going to factor the bottom. This is going to be y plus 2y minus 1, because that would add up to 1, multiplied by negative 2. I'm going to say 8y plus 7 over y squared plus y minus 2 equals a over y plus 2 plus b over y minus 1. Multiply everything by y plus 2 times y minus 1. Here the whole bottom crosses out. You've got 8y plus 7 equals, here the y plus 2 cancels out, you've got a times y minus 1. Here the y minus 1 cancels out, and you got b times y plus 2. Now, in order to not have to deal with, let's say, the b, we're going to let y equal negative 2. I didn't really leave myself enough space, but I'll figure it out. So, I'm going to plug that into everything. 8 times negative 2 plus 7 equals a times negative 2 minus 1 plus b times 0. b times 0 is 0. So, what have I got? I got negative 16 plus 7, that's negative 9, equals a times negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. A equals 3. That was pretty easy. Now, to make the a term go away, we're going to let y equal 1. 8 times 1 plus 7 equals a, whoops, well, it's a times 0, so this a goes away. B times 1 plus 2, so this is 8 plus 7 is 15. B times 1 plus 2 is 3. B equals 5. So, I'm sorry, there's so little room for this, but here's my final answer. Ready? 3 over y plus 2 plus 5 over y minus 1. And the way to check it, let's see, I did this somewhere on a sheet of paper. Okay, see if you can home in on where this is. Right here, it's exactly the same amount of work, and what I would do to check it, sorry, it's exactly the same work, what I would do to check it is say, okay, is 3 over y plus 2 plus 5 over y minus 1 the same as this? And, well, it is, you would multiply by your, multiply to get the same denominator. This would be 3y minus 3 plus 5y plus 10. 3 plus 5y is 8y. 3 minus 10 is negative 7. This would be 8y minus 7 over y plus 2 times y minus 1, which is what we started with. So it works.